Hello and welcome to OutRetail, the video podcast where we explore the future of retail. I'm Ganesh Subramanian, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join us as we dive into how technology, innovation, and consumer behavior are changing the retail world. In a world where buying drives many of our choices, the retail industry is at a crucial turning point. It's like the shift from traditional to personalized medicine, where researchers like David Sinclair, some of his books, we'll be sharing in our comments, view aging as a treatable condition. Retail needs to move towards a future where we minimize waste and maximize benefits for consumers and stakeholders. Before we dive deeper, it's worth learning from David Sinclair's work on aging and longevity. He highlights three main principles. One, proactive and preventive healthcare, moving away from just treating diseases to preventing them through regular health monitoring. Personalized medicine, using genetic information to tailor healthcare to individual needs. Three, advanced technologies, using technologies like AI and genomics to improve health treatments and interventions.
David Sinclair's principles offer valuable lessons for businesses too. How do you think these concepts could be applied to drive success in your industry?